Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, buenos dias. It is David over here at D's Garage in the city of Corona. Here we go, guys. Just want to make a little quick update video for you guys. So we got another GMC Ultimate here. We're going to be doing the TV monitors. Right, we're gonna go ahead and add some screens to the back of these headrests here. Look at this beautiful interior. I love this color. We're gonna do the TV monitors. Let me show you guys here. The monitors, the customer did buy his own monitors. We kind of guided him a little bit through which option to go with. So these are pretty nice. One of my previous YouTube videos that I did a while back for the TV monitors, it's been getting a lot of views and people have been really calling and asking for these screens here. So that I made another video for it, this time on the GMC Ultimate. The other one was the I think it was a Tahoe or the Yukon. I think it was a Tahoe. So we got the wire for the powers. We're gonna go ahead and hardwire it. We're not gonna use no cigarette plug because there's no cigarette lighter ports on this vehicle. So we're gonna hardwire that. These are the brackets for the screens. This is the brand here. We're gonna go ahead and just show you, and then once everything's installed, I'll do another video on them. Okay, so we're also gonna be doing the cab lights, guys. We're using the original OEM factory style. You know, we like the factory style look. He is keeping all the stuff ambered, so he wants the lights to be ambered. So you can see he's got no cab lights, so let's get to it. We're gonna break everything down and get started on it. Catch up with you guys later. Check it out, guys. We're installing some TV monitors here. We've got the GMC Ultimate all taken apart here. We're installing these screens here. So they're pretty good on there. We ran our wiring. Did you see those? I just got to put that one back. Check out the other one. That one's completed. We're running all the wiring through there and stuff. So we got everything taken apart. We're running our wiring. And right now we got a test for power, right, to hook up those TVs. We use this little test light. This is a ground test light, so check it out. This is ground right here. Anything on the frame is gonna be ground. And as soon as I find my power source, this light here turns on. But watch if I take my hand off of this side over here, look at it. So there's some kind of ground running through my body that as soon as I touch it, it turns on. Alright, so focus on over here. So that's pretty cool that it works this way here. Alright guys, so I just gotta wire up these TV monitors. I'll let you guys see how they look once I'm done. And if you're interested, once again, on any part that you need installed, or if you have questions about maybe some parts that you're looking to purchase before you install it, we can help you out. Hold on. Let's see if we can get this turned on real quick.
Pause.
Alright, so your connection is going to look like this here, right? You run a 10 amp fuse is you're tapping into some wires here. Just gonna leave that like so. While your Bluetooth is on, brother. We got these things powered up. Look, just like that. Let's watch some YouTube. Let's watch some Deeds Garage videos. I think the customer said he was already all wired up in here. So we're gonna see. Well, we'll watch that. We'll try that out later. Alrighty, folks, just wrapped up the truck here. It is right around 12 o'clock. Customer's been here since 8 o'clock. He's been here since earlier, but I don't open up shop till like 8:30, 9 o'clock. Sometimes I let you guys know to come in earlier so that way I don't have to wait for you. You gotta wait for me. There's them cab lights right there. Check out these monitors here.
You know what? I need to check my oil.
So I hardwire everything. I told him to check your oil yesterday. I don't know if he did. I hardwire everything so you don't see any of the wiring jumping around nowhere. The only one that you're gonna need is if you want to mirror link both of these, you just hook it up to the HDMI and run it across, and now both little ones can watch whatever they want. So these do have different features, right? You got Netflix, you got YouTube, Disney, Netflix, just so many different features, guys, that you got on here. So you guys can link your stuff up and boom, you'll have some nice videos here on your screen. We got both monitors hooked up on the GMC, looking really good now, dude. Next up is the Starlight kit. Alrighty, guys, so we've already showed you the cab lights. Those look pretty good, so we're working on it. Done deal. Show you guys what this side over here looks like as well. Wiring is nice and clean. No wires dangling nowhere. Thank you, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
That's why it doesn't look the best.
No, it looks pretty good. There it is.
I'll point out the imperfections if you want.
2 monitors. Done deal. And then the cable's right here, okay? The HDMI. So, let's go. GMC. Ultimate. Cab lights too. Alright, guys, check it out. We just finished up this GMC here. We added some TV monitors and installed some cab lights. Check out this look here. These are the 4K TV monitors. We got them right here. Okay. That thing has YouTube, Netflix, HDMI outputs, inputs, and all that good stuff. And then right up on top, you can see the cab lights are done as well. You guys already know, hit us up here at Deeds Garage. Come on, let's go out in the sun. That's the information right there. Thank you, guys. Peace.